I'll go over to you guys. Okay, guys.
Now do semi. No, do semi.
Semi.
Guys, pretty much the guys, push with this guy. Guys, pretty much we're gonna go try to go around them, okay? Yeah. So I want you guys to just push on, guys. To make it seem like we're going up, and then we'll go around. And then when we start getting our attention to the back, we'll try them, okay? Blah blah blah.
Should we go around?
Go. Cover some front.
Or on the right.
Out! Two out!
We're ready.
Boys, here. Matt, you go. Matt. Two over there! Press those guys.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ben, it's already going out. 3.
What the fuck is this shit?
No, ricochet doesn't count. You're in.
I know, it's so annoying. I need some cover. Here.
我太强了，
这射到了吗？
我操！我锁上了，我操！
我也是，我卡到啊！
我。
Hey, back! Unload the gun! Unload the gun!
Not sure.
On top of the container! Anyone have a grenade? Right there! Last container, the red one on top over there. 2 guys over there. Matt, go straight. Eric, suppress. Get out! Die, motherfucker! Yo, Eric, suppress it, fire while I cross. Go! Eric, cross. Brother. Eric, cross!
Where, man?
Yeah, where are you? Grab that one.
Oh shit! Hit!
Fuck, see me.
Hit, man, hit. I don't know.
Yo, guys, Matt, quick, no joke. This will be over in 10 seconds if you go. 喂，鎖槍啦，彈夾喺入邊，冇趌個頭出嚟望啊，打到你啊！Hey man, you can use small room. Yeah. Back to sunroom. Hey, you want to see muscle?
You motherfucker!
One guy in the bush. He's keeping all the people up there.
What the fuck? I think that was friendly fire.
What?
Really?
Put them back there.
Anyone back here?
Hey, Max. Give me stuff.
Bentley? Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
You win. I think all of them are out.
All set.
They're all in the dirt.
Really?
Look around, look around.
Okay, let's go.
Yep, all of them.